What's up, guys? Welcome back to I am Khalid Osman, where you get the best content on Somaliland. I'm out here promoting Somaliland for the diasporas to come back and then for the tourists to visit. You get to see basically on my channel things to do, where to go, what not to do, where not to go, and also opportunities and businesses ideas that you can start here in Somaliland. So anyway, without further ado, let's get to the intro and then I'm going to introduce what we're going to be doing today. Let's go.
So the winner
Khalid, I have a surprise for you.
And we are back, guys. So hope you enjoyed that intro. So it's not really a vlog. It's literally going to be really short. I'm just going to go. I'm still not ready, but I have to go get ready. I'm going to be going out with a group called Somaliland Life Makers. Most of you will know them if you live in Hargeisa or Borama. If you don't know what they are, I'll put their Instagram down below. But go check them out. They're basically a volunteer organization. A lot of you have... Sorry, let me just let my cat out. It's very annoying. He's going to just keep crying. All right, go. So, let's redo that. Most of you might know them. They're an amazing volunteer organization which I got involved as soon as I came here. So they do Ramadan or Iftars. So normally last year what we do in Ramadan is we give Iftars, we pack Iftars and we give them to people in hospitals, in different locations. We also give stable foods like rice, sugar, oil, dates, milk, all these kind of things. But unfortunately, due to COVID-19, guys, we cannot do the iftars anymore because iftars, we're talking about like hundreds, 200 people, and volunteers themselves, mashallah, we come in 20s, 25. So unfortunately, we can't do it due to COVID-19. We took the decision for social distancing and basically precautions. We're not doing the iftar as-som they call it. So we are basically going to do stable foods. We're going to be giving out rashins, or they call it in Somali rashins, which basically I think like rations. I think that's where it came from. Like rations is like a ration of rice, oil and things like that. So we're going to be giving that out. I'm going with the volunteers right now. It's a really small group, guys. The link down below. Go support their GoFund, guys. Go support them. Let's try to make this Ramadan an amazing one because this is, inshallah, only going to be the Ramadan in COVID-19. Hopefully it's not going to last until next Ramadan. But yeah, let's go support and you'll get ajr and you're supporting a lot of people. All right, guys, go to the GoFundMe. And yeah, let me go get ready and we're just going to go. We're just going to go and I'll see you there. Bye. So guys, this is not how we normally do it. We normally do it in big masses, but unfortunately due to COVID-19, we made it smaller. So this is the packages we give. We give 1 flour, 1 rice, 1 sugar, 2 tangs, 1 milk, and obviously tea bags. Now we're separating the sections. We also give them a bottle of oil. If you can see that orange, yellowish orange, that's oil, and we're separating it into 8 families, 3, 3, 2. And now we're going to take it to the car. I want you guys to remember that anyone who feeds a fasting believer in Ramadan receives the same reward given to the individual that was fed without reducing anything from the reward of the person's feed. For instance, if you feed 10 people who are fasting in a day, you are due to receive a reward equivalent to the reward given to the 10 people that fasted on that day. This is such a blessed time. It's a bonus, it's a discount, guys, for you to get hasanat rewards. So make sure you take this and support this amazing cause. So now we're just taking the food and we're giving it to our first house. Of course, I had to do hidden camera style because they're not big fans of cameras in this country. And yeah, so alhamdulillah, you see the people we're feeding, some situations are really bad, as you're going to see, and some, alhamdulillah, they have a place, a rooftop over their head. So Yusuf, so how do you find these people?
Many families are families that we kept giving them food packets for many years, so we know them by now. And some are newly discovered, either by us or by our friends. So yeah, if someone tells us there's a family in need in somewhere, we send someone to check and see if they are in fact in need or not, and then we add them to the list and we distribute, inshallah.
So we're going off to the next family right now.
No, the next families are very distant, so there's someone we know who's going to deliver it to them, so we're just delivering the food to him, and he will take it with his car and deliver it for us, inshallah.
Okay, inshallah.
And then we'll come back and deliver 8 more families,
Okay, mashallah.
inshallah.
And then we do also have these kind of houses. As you can see, this is a makeshift house area. This is a wall made out of metal, steel, metal sheets, boxes, rocks, different materials to create a border. Unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to video it as the camera was not recording. I forgot to click the record button. But just it was made out of tin. The house was made out of tin, just in between 2 houses. Looks like they just set up camp there, obviously a while back, and yeah, lived there. Please guys, let's not forget to donate to the GoFundMe. Link is down below. Make sure you go follow Somaliland Life Makers on Instagram and on Facebook. As you can see over here in this plot of land, there is 8 family members living. So 8 families, sorry, with different numbers of members, maybe minimum 3 or 4 in one family. So we're going to be giving it to this family on the right hand side that live in this kind of makeshift house. Beautiful kids, mashallah, and that's what we want to do. We want to support families and children who can't afford food, so make sure you go help. Let's get the report now. So we're done now, so could you just give us a quick summary of like what we've done and what has happened?
Yeah, sure. Assalamu alaikum wa Ramadan Kareem, guys. Today we distributed 11 family packages for less fortunate families. They are all really in need of these food packages, so I want to thank anyone who donated towards this campaign. I want to appreciate and thank our volunteers who came out at this time. We started after the Salat Dhuhr, so Alhamdulillah it went very well, and so far since the start of Ramadan we delivered more than 120 family packages in Hargeisa and Burma as well. So I want to thank also our team in Burma. They are doing an amazing job. They are doing both iftar and family packages. So it went very well, alhamdulillah.
And so what's the future? So now that's what you're doing, but where should they go to donate?
So inshallah we have a GoFundMe page, so you better check our Life Maker Instagram account. It's in the bio. You'll get all the information there. So we are seeking your help, guys. This Ramadan is very special because we have the COVID-19 thing happening. Many people lost their job. The economic situation is, I'm sure you're following. It's not as good. So we need every penny so that we can help people survive this Ramadan, inshallah, and also get as much ajr as possible. So it's a blessing month. We need to make a lot of dua, be kind to each other, help each other. So you guys, it's time now, inshallah.
Jazakallah khair, thank you very much. We're back, guys. What's up, guys? We're back. As you can see on my laptop right now, just came back. Really amazing. We got to do like 3. We didn't get too many families in, even though we did distribute to 11, I think it was. But let me put you down here. Oops. But I didn't get to shoot. Basically, sorry, I didn't get to shoot all the families delivering. But I just wanted to let you guys know they're very camera shy here, and the thing is, they're very proud people. Stubborn as well, but proud. Anyway, guys, it really help if you can support them. Somaliland Life Makers. There's a lot of GoFundMe accounts happening around now about Somalia, Somaliland, lots of GoFundMe. I can't speak for them, but I can only speak for Somaliland life makers. So I want you guys to go flood the page. I want to smash it. I don't want to just reach the amount. I want to smash the amount. So we can even do something even bigger, inshallah. Because Eid is coming up, guys, and we're gonna be going. I think they're gonna be creating another GoFundMe, but also they also do Eid where they give away clothes. They go all the way to Wachale, get the clothes from Wachale because of course it's cheaper. They buy it in bulk. They don't buy here from individual stores. You know, they're trying to do it as cheap as possible, so you guys know that your money is going to the right place, and it's going to the right place because I approve it. This is KO approved, all right, guys. And I'm doing this short video just so you can see where it's going as well. And I know these guys. I've been there with them from the beginning. All their videos will be up below. You can click there, or at the end, stay till the end, and you can click on one of the videos. All the videos are there from the past, obviously, that I've shot. I'll show it to you guys, and then you can see what they've been doing. Somaliland Life Makers, go follow them on Instagram. Go support the GoFundMe. And it's Ramadan, the time of giving. Go support me, guys. I'm going to leave my Patreon link and my PayPal link if you want to pay directly to PayPal. That will help support me basically to live out here, to do this, to promote the country to you, to show the country to you. No one else is doing it, especially in English. It's only me. So I need your guys' help to buy equipment, microphones. Alhamdulillah, I got, thanks to my patrons, by the way, shout out to my patrons who are supporting me. You get exclusive access on Patreon. I got a microphone, I got a tripod. Inshallah, I really want, one of my goals is to get a new camera. This camera, it's, alhamdulillah, it works, but it's not exactly the best. It's Canon D5200, so a 2013 model. It does the job, like I said, but it would be much better to have a better camera so I can shoot better quality videos for you guys, all right, guys, so you can enjoy it. So support me to support you guys, and yeah, peace, blessings. Ski, Ramadan Kareem, we out. Hey guys, thanks for watching all my videos. Make sure to click on one of these videos if you want to watch more awesome videos, and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Also guys, don't forget to smash that like button because it tells YouTube that, yeah, you like the video and it will show it to more people. Thanks. See you later.